Welcome to a comprehensive guide on configuring SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol settings in your website's admin area. In this video, we'll walk you through the process, empowering you to optimize your email delivery system. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. From there, navigate to the Settings, Configuration, and Email Options tabs. The first step involves defining your server's mail delivery method. Make a choice between a local connection or opt for the more versatile SMTP connection via TCP/IP. Note that servers on Windows and Mac OS should prefer the SMTP setting for optimal performance. Your next decision revolves around the selection of the SMTP mailer. Choose between Mandrill or Swiftmailer based on your specific needs and preferences. SMTP settings can vary based on your server specifications. Let's consider a breakdown of the key parameters you'll be configuring. SMTP host. Specify the IP address or domain name of your SMTP server. SMTP port. Set up the appropriate port for your SMTP connection. SMTP username and password. These credentials are vital for preventing unauthorized access and maintaining the security of your email system. SMTP encryption. Typically, set up as regular or without encryption for standard, secure connection. Stay tuned as we guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and reliable email delivery system for your website. Let's optimize your email communications together.